Hello guys, welcome to the second Microsoft Visual Basic tutorial. My name is Godknows Chihota from Teswa. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Remember to click subscribe button to support us to create more new videos for you. So today we just want to learn about how can we declare a variable. A variable is just a placeholder. Now for us to understand this concept, we need to understand the concept of primitive data type. So we have got four data types with I think that they are main data types. We've got what we call an integer. An integer is just a whole number, for example 78, and then we have got what we call a double. A double is now a decimal number, for example 78.03. this one is just a double. And then we've got also another data type, which is a string. A string, it stores text, for example hello world. And then we have got what we call a boolean. A boolean, it stores true or false. So for us, in order to declare a variable in VB, I think that we have got four things for each declaration. So let me show you these four things. We have got a keyword, dim. Dim is a keyword. Okay, let me type here. We have got a keyword which is dim. Dim is a keyword which is the first one. And then we have got a variable name, dim mark. Mark is a variable name. And then we've got another keyword, the third one. And then we have got a variable data type, which is integer. So we have got these four things. We have got a keyword, the first one, and then the variable name, the second one, and then is another keyword, the third one, and then integer, the fourth one, which is the variable data type. So boys and girls, we need to understand that per each declaration we have these four things for us to declare a variable. And then we can also declare something here. We can say dim name is a string. So you can see here that you have got this string. And then here you can see that you have got these four things again. We can also declare multiple variable. For example, we can say dim index is integer, and then we can also say dim grade is integer, and then we can also say dim count is integer. But we are using the same data type to declare multiple declaration. So the above declaration can be declared as one declaration if the same data type is used. For example, let me do that for you to get the concept. We can say dim index. We can say dim index comma grade comma count is integer, because we are using the same data type. So you can see here that you have got this keyword and these variable names, index, grade, and count. So dim index, grade, count is integer. So that's how we do when we want to declare a variable. So I hope that you enjoyed this powerful tutorials. Looking forward to seeing the next video when we'll be talking about how to insert a comment into our program. So if you didn't want to miss the next video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.